In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert background music in a PowerPoint presentation step by step. Whether you're creating a school project, business presentation, slideshow, or a special event presentation, adding background music can make your slides more engaging and professional. The best part is that it only takes a few clicks to set it up. So if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, go ahead and open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can either open an existing presentation where you want to add background music, or create a new blank presentation if you're starting from scratch. Once your presentation is open and you're inside the main editing workspace, you're ready for the next step. At the top of the screen, you'll see the ribbon menu with multiple tabs like Home, Insert, Design, and more. Click on the Insert tab. The Insert tab allows you to add different types of elements to your slides, such as images, videos, shapes, and audio files. After clicking Insert, look toward the right-hand side of the ribbon for the Media group. Inside this section, you'll see an option labeled Audio. Click on Audio, and a small drop-down menu will appear. From here, choose the option that lets you insert audio from your device. This will open the Insert Audio dialog box on your screen. Now that the Insert Audio dialog box is open, you need to locate the audio file you want to use as your background music. Navigate to the folder where your audio file is saved. For most people, this will be the Downloads folder, but it could also be Documents, Desktop, or any other location on your computer. Click on Downloads, or the correct folder where your audio file is stored. Then find and select the audio file you want to use. For example, you might select a ringtone file, an MP3 music track, or any compatible audio file format supported by PowerPoint. Once you've selected your audio file, click on the Insert button at the bottom of the dialog box. As soon as you click Insert, PowerPoint will place an audio icon directly onto your current slide in the workspace area. You will now see a small speaker icon appear on the slide. This icon represents your audio file. If you want to reposition it, simply click on the audio icon, hold down your mouse button, and drag it to any location on the slide. You can place it in a corner or anywhere that doesn't interfere with your slide content. If you're using the music as background audio and don't want the icon to distract your audience, you can move it to a less visible area. You can also explore the Playback tab that appears when the audio icon is selected. From there, you can choose options like playing the audio automatically when the slide starts, or playing it across all slides if you want continuous background music throughout your entire presentation. To make it play automatically, simply select the audio icon, go to the Playback tab, and choose Start Automatically. If you want the music to continue across multiple slides, select the option that allows it to play in the background. This ensures your music doesn't stop when you move to the next slide. And that's it! You've successfully inserted background music into your PowerPoint presentation. As you can see, the process is quick and beginner-friendly once you know where to click. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical PowerPoint guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.